What's up, guys? The Ford Maverick has one of the shortest beds in the pickup segment, just 4.5 feet, which means you really can't afford to waste any of it on a box that doesn't earn its spot. Today, we're breaking down the best storage solutions built for exactly that constraint. Links to everything are down in the video description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5 with VEVOR, the budget-friendly crossover pick for Maverick owners who want a traditional box without spending a ton. 48 inches wide, gas strut opens the lid to 110 degrees and holds it there hands-free. The overhanging lid seals out rain and snow reliably. Wide handles work comfortably even with gloves on. Stainless steel lock with 2 keys. Double powder coat resists rust and corrosion. Also works as a standalone garage or workshop box when it's off the truck. Straightforward, no-frills storage at a price that makes sense. At number 4, Decked built a drawer system specifically for the Maverick's 4.5-foot bed. And that matters, because most drawer systems aren't made for a bed this short. A full-length drawer slides out from the tailgate, so every tool is within arm's reach without climbing in, while the flat deck on top still handles up to 1,000 pounds of cargo. Weatherproof seals, made in the USA from recycled materials, backed by a lifetime guarantee. Comes with organizer accessories out of the box. The setup for Maverick owners who want to maximize every inch. Number 3 goes to UWS with their angled crossover box. And the angled tub profile is exactly what you want on a short Maverick bed, since it clears the wheel wells without eating up more space than necessary. The foam-filled lid won't warp or bind over years of daily use. Self-opening struts hold it up when your hands are full. And a micro-seal gasket seals out moisture, dust, and insects. Stainless steel paddle handles, 3-compartment sliding tool tray, low-profile lid, keeps your rear window view clear. Assembled in the USA. Coming in at number 2, the Duha Tote is the most versatile option on this list. It rolls on 4 wheels, slides right into the Maverick's bed, and doubles as a fully legal gun case for up to 4 rifles or shotguns with scopes. 3 heavy-duty latches all work with standard padlocks. Weather-resistant sealed lid, 2 utility trays, and removable dividers let you organize it however you need. Roto-molded and made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Take it out of the truck and roll it wherever you need it. That's the move. And the top spot goes to the UnderCover SwingCase. And on a bed as short as the Maverick's, this thing is a game changer. It mounts over the wheel well and swings out nearly 180 degrees toward you at the tailgate, so your entire bed floor stays open for cargo. Holds up to 75 pounds, locking lid, moisture seal, and cup holders on top for tailgate sessions. Fully portable, unclip it and take it anywhere. Compatible with virtually all tonneau covers, installs in minutes, made in the USA. The smartest use of a tight bed on the market. And that's the 5 best toolbox options for your Ford Maverick. From a rolling portable tote to a full drawer system built specifically for the 4.5-foot bed, every style of Maverick owner is covered. All the links are right there in the video description. Go grab the one that fits your setup. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button. More Maverick content every week. Catch you in the next one.